yeah.
Good morning, welcome back to On the Road Adventure.
And today we are on the way to Cheddar Gorge, which we will show you, but we had to stop at Axbridge, which is a very lovely medieval village, and we love stopping here. There's a very nice square if you're on the way to Cheddar or on the way back and you want to chill a little bit.
It's just off the main road you probably will use if you come off the M5 or A38, and as Eva says, you've got to come through this little village and stop here. There's buildings here from like 1460, and we're stood outside King John's hunting lodge here.
Apparently, but there is a bit of a, is it or is it not?
Who knows? It's a really pretty place and you've got to stop and have a look. We'll show you, and we'll crack on to Cheddar Gorge, try some cheese.
Yes, let's do that. You know what, that could be one of my favourite olden age looking places. Like, I haven't been to Shambles yet, but it's a really nice chilling place. I love it.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's amazing how many little medieval places there are still in and around the UK. We found loads of really good ones in the Cotswolds as well, didn't we?
Yeah, there's a lot of history around this village which you can read up, but very interesting place.
But today we are much more interested in finding cheese.
We missed cheese so much when we were in Spain and Portugal.
But this isn't going to be any old cheese. This is cheese that's left to mature inside a cave in the Cheddar Gorge. It's only about 2 miles from the Axbridge village. Brings you into the village of Cheddar. And you can pick up the signs for the gorge there. And if you weren't aware of Cheddar Gorge yet, if you come on a Sunday, you're going to find a lot of bikers, and people bring their fancy cars here as well, because they all want to take photographs in the gorge and go up to the top and back again. Which is exactly what you should do, by the way, which is what we'll do. When you come into Cheddar Gorge, you can drive right past through the village, past all the shops and stuff, and follow it all the way up to the top. It's a road that you got to ride. This has got to be the cheesiest village in the UK.
It is a cheesy village, yes.
So we come here on a Sunday. If you're lucky enough to find a spot to park, it'll be in here where all the bikes are parked usually.
There is many hikes in here. So people come here, leave their car and then hike for hours.
I don't think I fancy doing that in bike boot.
No, there is also 2 different caves, so you can go and explore both.
Yeah, the caves are really good, and it's where they store some of the cheese for maturing as well. And you can get a guided tour around there. If you've not done that before, you should definitely go do that if you come here. Wow, look at that. You ride into here and you suddenly feel dwarfed by the gorge around you. It's amazing. Suddenly feel very small. Well, that was a lovely ride up the gorge there, wasn't it?
Yeah, I really like this place. I just want to remove all the cars and people and then leave it for the bikes. That'd be great.
Like everything good, it'd be better on your own, eh?
But more importantly, I haven't had any food today, so I'm this close from blowing up. I need feeding, and I've heard they have the best cheddar cheese sandwich with like a special
I think it's
secret
their own
garnish.
secret sauce or something, yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna find that and show you. Let's go.
Is this what you read about, this spot?
Yeah, it's this one. We can sit outside right by the water if there's a space.
All right, see if we can find a seat then.
Ooh.
We've discovered a new cider. So we like the Shepley cider, which is really local to us where it's made. And they do a raspberry cider as well. We've not seen that before.
Yeah, but it's not as good.
It tastes a little bit like cider and black to me, I think, but very welcome on a hot day.
Well, I'm glad I'm sticking with the old.
So we're not entirely sure what it is that we're getting.
No,
But if it's
didn't
famous,
ask.
we got to have it.
We're just so hot. We just ordered, can we have the famous sandwich? So I don't even know what's in it.
Time will tell.
Hopefully it's not mushrooms or fish.
Yeah, right.
And it's topped with cheese, our home cured salt beef, tomato and pickles, gherkin pickles,
Yeah.
piccalilli, and a nice gherkin on the top.
Very nice too.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much,
Thank
Bob.
you.
Ciao.
So I took one white, one brown, so we can swap.
So we've just been told that it is a rare bit sauce, which is a mixture of different sauces, but they won't tell you exactly what. Some beef, some cheddar cheese, of course, tomatoes,
Chutney.
chutney, gherkin, and a big fat club sandwich.
Well, most importantly, the cheese, it's from the caves.
Very nice too.
Let's
Right,
dig
let's not
in.
stand on ceremony, eh? Look at that bad boy.
Is that what you've been missing all this time?
That is good. We're coming here every time we come to Cheddar.
Look at that pickle. I like pickles. Oh yeah. It's good. I got a half a sandwich with me for when I get more hungry.
Our sandwiches go, that was epic, when I was far too
Pretty
much.
good.
We always go into these places and get excited about it and order the extras and stuff, and then always wish that we just shared one between us, isn't it?
Yeah, it's always the same.
Yeah. Well, let's have a look around the village,
I want
shall
to
we?
buy some cheese. There's a cheese shop. There's one right here, but I think it's the same people on another big shop further down.
Yeah, let's go find the big one.
Yeah. If you fancy a walk, this is it. 28 kilometers, or 2.7 or 5.5.
Oh, let's do the 28 kilometres,
Let's
we're here
do
now.
28. Let's just not muck
Yeah.
around.
I assume we can get the twins up there, yeah?
Yeah.
We need some practice off-road.
Yeah, we do. Let's go.
This is old-fashioned penny slot machines. You can swap a pound for 8 pennies. That's a bargain, isn't it?
Good deal.
Yeah.
I've never seen an
Yeah.
old penny.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
This is how you avoid gambling, kids. Put your own penny in, and if you win, you get the same penny back.
come on, you can do it.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Ooh, That was easy.
Easy for you to say.
One more.
Look at that. Cider and apple cheese, matured in the cave. Only cheddar, made in cheddar.
It's not matured in a cave though. There's only one type that's matured in a cave.
I was outside just now, walking along the village, and a bloke threw a block of cheese at me. I thought that's not very mature. How dare he? You can see the mould on the edge of the rind there.
Ew, that's delicious.
You'd definitely eat that bit, wouldn't you?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't think you're meant to eat that, but
You would.
so that's the smoked one, not matured in a cave, has no mouldy bits, no one does. I am melting.
We'll find ourselves a nice spot here, sat in the shade, watching the world go by.
Got the cheese at least, so that was worth it.
Which one did you go for in the end?
Well, in the end, I took the oak smoked cheese. I do like that one.
Nice. What I liked about it in there was they had samples of all the different types of cheese, so do a full lap of the shop first before you make your choice.
Yeah. It's so hot. I want to go and have another ride through the gorge.
Yeah?
Yeah. And I want to take a nice picture of the bikes and us maybe in it. But it's so hot. I just don't have a will to live at the moment.
I can't bear these people that moan that they're hot in the UK. Nor can anyone else.
Rain is a bit more convenient, isn't it?
Shut the fuck up.
Just joking. Don't, just mind the new one.
This could be our first fallout yet.
Anyway, let's have a look.
So we're going to take another ride up the gorge then while we're here, yeah?
Yeah, there is another way you can leave. So you turn left and then left
I've never gone
again.
out that way when you get to the top.
Yeah,
I'll look at the map,
I'll
see what it
take
goes.
you. I definitely do not remember it, but I'll try.
Right, let's get the bikes.
Let's go.
See you later, guys. Right then, another go up this gorge, is it? Cheddar Gorgeous. Oh, it's really nice out there. That's one thing about us bikers, is you always end up grouping together and there's always somebody to have a chat with. I was speaking to somebody on the channel the other day and he was saying that he cancelled his trip because his mate hurt his ankle and didn't want to come, and I can understand why he didn't go on his own.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure how the gorge is created, but I'm pretty sure it's something to do with water and probably ice age. I don't know.
You think all them years ago, this must have been a hell of a volume of water to create this gorge.
There's just stones and gravel everywhere.
Yeah, you got to watch out for some of those big stones, ain't you? You can send you off course if you get one in a corner.
Yeah. So it's almost like it's a nice twisty, but you still want to be careful.
Right, well I haven't got the sat-nav on, I'm not entirely sure where this goes.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it, be alright.
I'll show you the way.
Oh, right. Do you mind if I stop and get the sat-nav?
No! It'll be the next left, whatever you are. Well, I've got the sat-nav on, but I've been on this road before, I told you, it's quite nice.
Left here then. Why not? Good as any other direction, isn't it?
Don't you worry, I'll get you home. The long way home.
A nice fast twisty road through here, it's turned out to be quite good. Quite a nice detour. You got lucky. There's a goat up there on that hill. Wow, they're proper high.
Oh, well, yeah, I see there is a white goat. I could hear them earlier when we were in the Cheddar Gorge.
Yeah, I think I would recommend that. That's quite a nice bit of road. I say that, I don't know where the road goes yet. We'll all find out together. Oh, chop, a tiny little handlebars. That's cool, isn't it?
We're just on the way back on the A38. There's a nice loop you can do, starting in Axbridge, then go around the Cheddar Gorge, you know, do that up and down a few times, and then go left and left again, and you end up in Axbridge again. We just stopped in Ollie's Cafe, but it's closed now, but it's a good stop if you're in the area. And we're just gonna ride home now, aren't we?
There's so many good roads around here, and the Mendip Hills and stuff. We're going back down to Devon, and we are not taking the motorway, so we're going to leave you here, otherwise it'll be a very long video, and we're going to explore the country lanes on the way home.
Yeah, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. Say hello if you see us.
See you in the next one.
Bye.
Cheers.